wait to get on the road again. The life I love is making music with my friends, and I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again, going places that I've never been, seeing things that I may never see again. I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Good morning, everyone. We're back from our vacation on the Cape. Beautiful Cape Cod. We got sand therapy. Now it's time for some wind therapy. We're heading out for a ride on this beautiful Saturday, the 14th of September. And it's supposed to be 80s, I think. We're meeting up with Bob and Amy, who also came on vacation with us. And we're meeting up with Charlie. He said he missed us, so we're going for a ride with Charlie. So come along with us, because we don't know where we're going. We don't know who's leading.
We're not.
I hope not.
Charlie knows where to go.
Oh, look, we're on the other road now. Wow. Oh, get my bike all wet. Damn it. And we're off. Meeting up with Bob and Amy at their house. Oh yeah, we got a new headset for intercom between the two of us, made by Sena. So we'll see how these work. My other ones I had died after a couple years. They wouldn't take a charge. So we'll see how these work out. They're supposed to be good. They're for half helmets, but I still get a lot of, we got wind noise. We'll have to work on that, see what we can do with that. Okay, we're off to Ohio State Park. Where the hell that? Wherever the hell that is.
7 miles away.
Yeah. Of course, they made me the leader, because I have the GPS. That's coming off the bike. That's it.
No more.
No more.
Pass it to the back.
Okay, we'll keep you informed on our progress of who the hell knows where we're going. Well, where did we stop to eat?
The log cabin.
The log cabin. Wasn't bad.
No, it wasn't bad.
It filled the belly. It's a beautiful day.
Still.
Yes. We have a new leader.
Yeah. He knows where he's going.
Yeah, he needs gas. So I said, go ahead, knock yourself out. That was beautiful. Of course, I turned the camera on a little late.
Stop contemplating, just turn it on.
But maybe it'll get better. Look at that. Woo! Looks beautiful. a few trees that are turning already. We're up over here. It's quite a bit of color change already. Of course, I turned the camera on and we don't see any. We're coming up through here. I don't even know what town we're in. We're on 7-Eleven, whatever route. But there's quite a bit of color change. Pretty good for the middle of September. See, I told you it was changing. We got reds and oranges and yellows already. Whoa! We're starting our foliage 2024 so early.
Well, I'm wearing orange glasses, so everything kind of pops out at me. It's more
Everything?
foliage, honey, foliage. It's a lot brighter than what everybody else sees.
Wowee. That is neat. What a view. Mountain View Road. We're in somewhere.
Yeah.
Trying to find a town. No luck.
Yep. Calgary.
Maybe. Well, it's a pretty view in front of us.
Donegal Township.
You can do whitewater rafting, hiking, canoeing, eating. We do that best.
Yeah.
Oh, it's 5:40. Ah, boy. Yeah. We'll be okay. But it's beautiful. What a beautiful day. We'll get home in about 3 hours. Yee. So stay tuned. I don't know what else I'm gonna get. Because I figure it's gonna get dark in about an hour. And 10 minutes, 20 minutes. We'll enjoy the sun. We'll take whatever we can get. Look at that. Ooh. Beautiful. So beautiful. Wow. I caught it on video. Wow. I planned ahead, I think. Check this out. Whee! Yes, sir. It's pretty steep. Letting the bike hold me back. I'm in 4th gear. 3rd gear. Brakes. Yeah, we're up at, was it?
308. Summit. 2,308.
Yeah. That was the highest we've been in PA. Well, let's take the truck route. That looks cool.
No, honey, I don't want to do it.
Hope the guys are enjoying this ride down this nice hill. He's having fun going up. Oh, my ears just popped. But what a view! What a view! Ah! We'll put this corner here. That was a nice 2-minute ride down the hill. And we're still going. And 30 seconds down the hill.
Wow.
This is Greensburg. Check out that building.
Wow.
Oh yeah. Damn Harleys. Cute city, town, whatever you want to call it. Well, it is a pretty sky. I don't know know if you'll catch any of the sunset.
Sunset.
There's a little bit.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn right on Leechburg to Kittening Road.
We've been seeing quite a few deer already. One by one field was what, 6? With that one field, it was like 6 deer in it.
The
A
deer?
couple of fawns.
Yeah.
And then a little bit past that, Vita saw a big buck.
Yep. My first big buck.
Big $100 buck? So Bob, we know what a buck looks like. Maybe you can get one this year.
Turn
Yeah.
right at the stop sign.
Well, I hope you can see the sky behind us. It's beautiful. Say hi there.
Hi.
We had a beautiful ride. Now we're heading home. It's almost 8 o'clock. So we'll catch ya when we pull into the
Take the
yard.
exit on the right to US 422 Business Route West, then keep left. Keep left to US 422 Business Route West, then
Home sweet home. Thanks for coming along.